In front of me is Samsung Galaxy M15 and today I would like to show you how you can set up face unlock. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling to click on this section called Security and Privacy. Now tap on Lock Screen and enter your current login method. Following that, select Face Recognition under Biometrics. Hit Continue. Tap on Register and keep your face in frame. Follow all of the instructions from your screen and wait for 100% mark. Then manage all of those options however you want to, but make sure this option called Face Unlock is enabled. Without it, you won't be able to unlock your phone using face recognition. So now let's check it out. When I switch off my screen, turn it back on and look at it, I can see that Face Unlock is working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!